This is silver print in the rayon fabric, hand block with enhanced embroidery at the yoke. It has a flare and the bottom. See this. We have the cuff at the bottom.
Hello.
This is again the rayon gown with the dupatta with this. Jayashri. This is the dupatta of this. It has the gold print with the hand embroidery, beads work. You can see the flare, the ghera of this. This is rayon fabric. This is again the rayon gown with the gota enhancing at the tires. It has adda work, the all hand work here. This all is hand work, the adda work is here. This is beautiful gown in rayon fabric, and you can buy this from jharoka.com. This is again a rayon gown in the beautiful color. See this, it has two colors. One is here, the peach color, and the other is the beautiful grey color. You can see both the colors, and it has the gotapati work at the yoke. See this with the beautiful buttons. The metal buttons are here. The available sizes in all these kurtis is 38 to 44. In certain styles we have small size also. You can check this on jharoka.com. You can buy from there. And we have the tire at the bottom. See this, it gives a beautiful look. You can see the mannequin wearing this. Check this, we have the flare at the bottom. This is again a hand block gown. See the hand block at the back. It is sleeves. You can see this sleeves hand block at the yoke. You can check all this. This all is hand block printed with the anarkali gown. In this also, this is the cotton, soft cotton fabric. You can wash it separately at home, and very premium cotton fabric, very soft, color is fast. This is the hand tie-dye gown with the gota lace at the bottom. See the ghera of the gown, and the yoke is all enhanced with the gota. We have the sleeves. We have sleeves with the gota. This is anarkali style. We have the kalis from top to bottom. This is kalis, and in this we have the sizes available from small to double XL, and you can buy this from jharoka.com. All these styles are available there. This is rayon slab gown with a hand printed dupatta. See the print of the dupatta. It is beautiful hand printed dupatta with the tassels at the bottom, both the sides. This is the rayon slub gown. And the sizes which is available in this is small to double XL, that is 38, 40, 42, 44 and 46.
Best selling product. Best selling product दिखा.
And the best selling product at Jharokha.com is this 3-piece set. 3-piece set. See the yoke of this kurta. We have bottom. This is the bottom of this. This is kurta with the bottom and the dupatta with this. This all is hand printed dupatta, and the size, this is the full length dupatta. The size of the dupatta is very good. This is the full dupatta. See this. This is the best selling product on Jharokha. You can buy this from Jharokha.com, and see this. This is the indigo blue hand block kurta bottom with dupatta. This is the kurta. And this is the bottom with the gota lace. You can check this on Jharokha.com. We have the again full length printed dupatta available with this. This is available in small to double XL sizes. This is the premium cotton fabric, the soft cotton and the fast colors. You can see this. Thank you. It is wearing this with the cuff, the printed cuffs. This is the bottom with the gota lace. This is the other kurta bottom with dupatta. This is the kurta. The placket has been enhanced with the gota lace. This is bottom, again with the gota. And this is dupatta. The length of the dupatta is very beautiful. It is the full dupatta, hand printed, and the cotton fabric. This is premium cotton fabric which you can buy from Jharokha.com. This is one of the most picked item on Jharokha.com. This is one more hand-picked item at Jharokha, and this is the kurta with the skirt. The skirt is with a full ghera, and this is in cotton fabric. You can check the neckline of this, and this is the skirt with this. This is the back, and you can buy all these garments at Jharokha.com. Please go to Jharokha.com and check out all this collection there. This is the rayon slub kurta. With bottom. This is the bottom with the print. This is all hand block printed kurtas. See the neckline with the embroidery work and the pearl buttons over here. It has dupatta, hand block printed dupatta. You can check this. See the back. Please do visit to Jharokha.com and buy all these products. You can check all these products on Jharokha.com. The other beautiful color is this blue color. See this. This is kurta bottom with gold print bottom. You can check the bottom, gold print. It also have dupatta. And this whole kurta is in rayon slab. The sizes available in this is from medium to triple XL from 46 size. And see the pearl handwork which is there on the whole yoke here. And this is the dupatta with this, which gives you a complete look. This is in rayon slab. The sizes available in this is from medium to triple XL. Please check this. This is also the rayon slab kurta bottom with a printed bottom in embroidered neckline with a mirror work at the neck. The whole yoke we have the mirror work here. Please check this. We have the dupatta with this, the whole embroidered dupatta with this style. See the dupatta which is also embroidered. The embroidery is there at the whole dupatta and the length of the dupatta is full. The whole dupatta. This is also available at Jharokha.com and you can buy this from Jharokha.com. One of the hottest selling product at Jharokha.com is this peach color kurta bottom with dupatta. It has the block print bottom with the highlighted placket and with a full dupatta.
Size.
In this, the sizes which are available is from 38 to 44, and this is the soft cotton fabric, which is the premium fabric, export quality cotton, fast color. The colors are very fast for all these kurta sets, gowns. Please check this. You can check all these garments at Jharokha.com and you can buy these garments from there. We have all these garments available at Jharokha.com and there are many other products which you can see there and buy. This is also the hand block with the sleeves. See the this sleeves with the two laces. We have the beautiful bottom with this. See the bottom with the beautiful border and the gota enhancing. And we have the dupatta with the style, the full length dupatta, which you can buy from Jharokha.com, which is available there. Please check all this collection at Jharokha.com and do buy from there. This is the rayon indigo gown with the hand work at the whole yoke.
जो आपने पहना है ना उसको बताओ.
And this is the sleeves with the mirror work, sequence work at the neck and the sleeves. See this. This is the beautiful indigo rayon, and this is also the black gown which I have worn, the tired gown, the 3-tiered gown. This is hand block black dress. This is also available at Jharokha.com, which you can buy from there. And all this collection is hand printed in the soft cotton fabric with fast colors, available in the small to XXL size. Please check the collection at Jharokha.com and do buy all the collection from Jharokha. Thank you.